Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to find WhatsApp desktop application files on PC. You go to your C drive, then go to the users directory, then go to your account directory. In my case, it's admin. Make sure to show the hidden files from here. Then you need to go to the app data folder, then to the local, and then look for the packages folder, WhatsApp desktop, open it. Then go to the local state folder. Inside that, go to this section. Inside this directory, go to the transfer. There will be folder listed with the date. Open this folder, and here you can find the files. This is the whole directory in my case, but in your case, the folder name for the user will be different. Also, the session folder name and the date will be changed for you guys. Thank you.